Don't open softwares like this. Instead of opening them one by one, you can try the method I shown in this video. Step 1. Download the file from the link given in the description, or you can open Notepad and type the following text. Step 2. Now open the downloaded file. Right-click on the software you want to open first and click on Open File Location. Copy the location of your software and paste it on the downloaded note.txt file just after CD, as shown here. Now again, right-click on the software and click on Open File Location. Here, right-click on the software .exe file. Click on Rename and copy the name and paste it on the downloaded note.txt file just after the start as shown here. Follow the same steps for second and third softwares as shown. You can adjust the time between openings of the software by adjusting this number. In my case, I will put it as 7. You can put any number you want. Step 3. Now click on File and click on Save As, or you can use Command-Control plus Shift plus S. In file name, you can write any name. In my case, I will write rslogix500.bat. Now click on Save As Type and select it in all files, and save it on desktop or any location as shown. Now this BAT file has been created in front of us. On double-clicking on it, all your 3 software will open automatically. You can do this for 4 or 5 softwares by extending this code further. Thanks for joining me. If you think the video is helpful for you, then like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This gives me more confidence to bring such good content for you.